Welcome to my blissful garden. I tried a strange method, and the results were unbelievable. Today, we're going to try it together and see the results. My orchid is wilting since it hasn't been cared for or fertilized in a long time. We will soak it in water. Soaking the orchid helps rehydrate the roots. Next, we will use 1/3 of a spoonful of sugar. Pouring 500 milliliters water. Sugar provides a quick source of energy for the orchid, helping to stimulate root growth and support overall plant health. Use 1 spoonful of dry yeast. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Dry yeast is rich in beneficial microorganisms, B vitamins, and enzymes that stimulate root growth. We will soak the leaves in the sugar water solution. Soak it for 20 minutes. We will combine the sugar water with the yeast mixture. Stir the solution. Pour solution into small bowl. After that, let's soak the roots in the solution so they can absorb the nutrients from the sugar and yeast. I invite you to take a look at my orchid garden. After soaking, we'll take the orchid out and replant it. If you enjoyed this, drop a great in the comments to show your support.
Giúp chậu thông thoáng, không bị úng.
Don't forget to give them a little water to increase humidity and help with water absorption. Let's take care of another plant together. The leftover solution can also be used to nourish and care for other plants. It's a great way to make sure all your plants benefit from the nutrients and natural properties, helping them grow healthier and stronger. With this solution, we should only water 200 milliliters once a week. Watering too much can cause the plant to die and lead to mold growth or root rot. After 5 weeks, the orchid's roots should appear much stronger and healthier. You'll see thicker white roots spreading out with fresh green tips, indicating active growth. Overall, the plant will have developed a solid root system that's successfully absorbing nutrients and providing strong support for the rest of the orchid. Let's prepare this solution again. Pouring 200 milliliters water. Are you facing any challenges with orchid care? I'll answer them in the next video. After 2 months, the orchid's roots will be much stronger and more developed. You'll notice the roots are thicker and longer, with healthy white and green tips, indicating active growth. The older roots should be firm, not soft or mushy, and free from any signs of rot. That's it for today, orchid lovers. I hope you found this method helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more orchid care tips. Let's keep our orchids happy and thriving together. See you in the next video.